It is important for all of us to understand the ability for this virus to spread and how it does so. It has a spreading factor of about 2.6, and what does that mean? The New York Times has put together a video that I think beautifully explains the real contagious capability of this virus. Let's imagine there were 5 people who are sick, and one cycle meaning it's within this 5 people. Well, if there is an infection rate of 2.6, and that's mathematically we call it exponential, what would happen within 2 cycles, that would become 18 people who are sick. 3 cycles, 52 people are sick. 4 cycles, 140 people are sick. And after 5 cycles, we have over 300 people that are sick. This is what we mean by isolating people that are infected. This was, by the way, the value of the test. The purpose of isolating people who are sick is to flatten the curve. What we mean by that is if we can identify these patients that are ill, we can actually, with protective measures or with isolation, flatten the curve. And the importance of flattening that curve is we can protect the healthcare system's capacity so that we can actually have sufficient ICUs, sufficient medical personnel, sufficient medical supplies to deal with the inevitable, sadly inevitable, severe and critically ill patients who may die from this disease. So it's beholden to all of us to work together to identify those patients or yourselves or your family members or your friends of visitors from overseas who may have the symptoms of this disease and either self-isolate even without a test, because it's critical for all of us to create the extinction of this virus by self-isolating and allowing then the healthcare system to manage with the very ill patient.